Games begin. Hey Adam Wolf, how you doing, buddy? Trying a very different stream setup today. I am going through. Well, I was about to say I'm going through Restream.io, but actually now the same damn problems have started. It was working great in the testing, and of course now completely screwed up. How you doing, buddy? All right. Working on some 3D modeling here to replace my 2D character with the 3D rendered one in a 2D game, because that's the kind of thing we do. Working on some 3D modeling here to also trying this. So Restream also going out on YouTube. So say hello to YouTube. But we'll see how this goes. But it is dropping frames like crazy. I am so tired of whatever this problem is between my ISP and Twitch. I don't know. So it's driving me nuts. It's been like it for 3 weeks now, folks. But we're going to keep going here. So I have my character here, all right? And it's just a basic Blender, my first Blender model thing, character. And I have also set up the rigging here. And we've got some things going on. If I go to pose mode, and if I choose like the hand, actually let's choose like, well, if I choose the hand and move the hand, right? You can see there's some issues, but that ain't ever gonna happen. But we're gonna keep going forward here. I'm learning this as I go, right? And you know, funny enough, I can also make him. Let's just make him cheer, right? Yay! Yay! Yeah, right. There you go. Yeah. So this is what we're working on now. I I know there's some different bone things I can do here to mess with this, and we might get to that. Let me know if the frames are actually dropping or it's just statistical data telling me that it's bad, because I don't know at this point. I've tried every freaking setting in OBS. I have reset every piece of hardware multiple times in my house. I know it's not, whatever it is, it's not me. It is the I'm barely using like 6.2% of my CPU. I've got plenty of bandwidth. It is something to do with my ISP going to maybe even just detecting outgoing streaming video, because on everything else I get 11 meg up, but I can barely get together 2 meg up when I'm trying to stream. It's, I don't know, call it conspiracy, just saying. Yeah. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. Like I say, I'm trying this on Restream tonight as something different to see what we get. Well, we'll see where it goes. Restream is a paid service. I'm not using the paid one right now, but right now it's also not giving me any better. I've dropped about 60% of frames on 30 frames per second at 1920 1080. That's just ridiculous. And I don't know, barely using 6% of the CPU. Okay, so you know, you can take the hand, right? You know, we should be able to let's break his wrist here, right? Oh yeah, that's that's gonna hurt. Yeah, you want to bring it? Come on then, bring it, bring it, bring it. I know, right? We're just gonna have some fun with that. What I want to do now, I know that there's obviously still work to do on the model and fixing up these issues, but at some point I got to prove the concept, and I think that's where I'm at. So what I want to do is I'm now going to try and learn how to bring in a running animation, pre-built running animation, so that I can just get this guy running, put it in the game, I'm confident it's going to look better than the current characters, but you know, it's one of those like you want to see it to prove it. You know what I mean? So give me 1 second here. I'm gonna see if I can. Never done this. So um, what's it called? Mocap or running person. All right. No, that's not it. Motion library. No, I don't want to have to pay for any of this. Okay, wait. Let's just go to well, there's the Adobe one, but you know, Adobe, right? Um, free mocap animations. Mocap market. All right, let's just get it from Mixamo, right? For those of you who don't know what Mixamo is, I'll show you. Hang on, give me 1 second. All right, so if you don't know what Mixamo is, yeah, it's an Adobe thing. Sucks, right? But it's super cool. You can either load in your character or whatever and select one of these animations. So we're going to give this a go. I am going to see if I can get this hit. So file, export. We're going to want an FBX. Put it on the desktop. We're just going to call it, yeah, EH-Boy. Let's make sure we get want to get all the textures and everything in there. I think that's how it's set up. Let's see. That should all be good. Let's try it. So we're gonna do this actually slightly differently than I planned. So we can do this. We can upload our character. We are gonna select the boy. Fingers crossed. See how this goes. Oh, Adam Wolf, I know you know how to do this. You just don't want to tell me. No. We're gonna learn together, right? That's what we do on this stream. We learn together. So again, I've made the character. I added the armatures, but following some very straightforward video tutorials of which I don't know. You know, I don't want to have to become an expert on this. I just need my character. So I'm hopefully learning just enough as I go along to get this done. We're going to find out. I anticipate this to look terrible at first. Again, we'll work this as we go. You know how to watch a guy on Twitch do this. I know that one too. That's funny. You're a funny guy. He's a funny guy. Processing my character. Come on. Come on. Process. Let me, seriously, let me know if you notice dropping frames because it looks pretty terrible over here from where I'm sitting. But maybe it's misleading. Or maybe it's dead accurate. There is a setting I found that stopped it from at least telling me it was dropping frames by telling it to automatically change the bitrate. But I'm willing to bet the bitrate went to something really terrible. Maybe we'll experiment with that next time. You know, you can only do so much with the testing of the streams before you go live. So we'll see. It's a bit framey, but audio is fine, which is good because you want to hear my dulcet tones, right? Ooh, this is taking a while. Doesn't normally take this long. Again, up. Well, I am streaming, obviously, but I wouldn't consider this mesh that complicated. But we'll see. It's processing it. Maybe it's slow on their end. I can't remember. Let me see. I don't think it'll let me change this preference in real time. Let's see. Hang on. This is where it all goes terrible. Yep, yeah, I can't change it while I'm streaming. Okay. Sorry, unable to map your existing skeleton. Please check best practices for using the auto rigger and upload. Oh, that's not good. Um. Okay, well, what I could do. This is actually a very simple rig, so I could just turn off. If I turn it off there, does that? Well, actually, you know what? Hang on, look. I can literally just delete the rig. That that won't hurt us for what we're doing here. File, export. Although I really did refine that rig nicely. I but okay. Okay. It's certainly going to reduce the file size. But as you can see underneath on the left hand side, there's all these very convenient pre-built animations. And the ones I need, I know are in there because I've used them before when I was running some tests. So we're going to see what we can do here. Hydrate. Now the auto rigging on this in Mixamo is very straightforward. You know, I I don't want to say you're not going to get AAA quality games, but you're going to get good enough. Come on, process my character. My character needs processing. Stream. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Please wait. At least it took the upload this time. It's going to ask me to put a rig on it, which won't be so bad. Okay, here we go. So, yeah, that orientation is fine. It's going to want the rig. So all you do is you place them, right? So there's the chin. There are the wrists, right there. There are the elbows. Also, I think you're now seeing why you pose the characters like this. It just makes life a lot easier. All right, we're gonna put our knees there. And he's only got one coin. He's very happy to hear about that. And put it there. All right. Now it's gonna auto rig that to the model, mesh, whatever you want to call it. Thingamac thing. Let's just call it the thingamac thing, shall we? Yeah. Come on. Auto rigger McFly. He still has a very creepy nose. And his eyes so lifeless right now. You need to hear the tears compile. I'm only compiling tears. Ah. Our auto rigger algorithm can take up to 2 minutes, and we're going to take all of the 2 minutes. You really can't complain. It's free, so I mean, you know, I'm not complaining. This is this knows how to animate walking and jumping an awful lot better than I do when it comes to this stuff. There he is. Look at him. Not too bad actually. He's got a few little gashes. We can fix that out. But all I want here is the animation, right? So that's not bad, right? So then you go next. Yeah, he's not going to be saved. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so now that we've got him here, you see what you can do is you look and you go, okay, look for your, you know, you want him to do a rumba dance, you just click on it. And before you know it, he's rumba dancing. And he's also doing it, and oh, look at him swing those hips. Other than the jacket, it's actually, sorry, the t-shirt, it's actually doing a really good job, right? His knees, well, I think he might be made a little bit of jelly, but he's not doing badly. Look at him shake that ass. Shake that. Oh, yeah. Come on, baby. Yeah. That's got to be the winning dance right there, right? When he wins. Anyway, so you get the idea, right? So what we're looking for here is some running, right? We don't want him running too fast. We're going to put him in place. See? That's not so bad, right? It's at least done a lot of the natural movement that we know I couldn't do. Yeah. Isn't it cool, Adam Wolf? It is cool, right? And we should be able to just export the animation of the bones, take that back into Blender, tweak it, so on, continue working with our model, and then you know, we can render that out. Now, our good friend, this guy NZ, I'm not sure if this has moonwalking. No, no moonwalking. Wait, we got some walks. Uh, the not so scary zombie pack. Oh, actually, there's 24 of them in there. Kind of wish I hadn't clicked on that now. Let's do the zombie walk. Here you go. That's yeah. Right. There's your Halloween one. Now he's definitely got a bit of a hunchback going on. Okay. Um. So let's look at jumping. That's another one that I need. Right. So we can have him do all sorts of fancy jumps over the hurdles. Right. Let's see here. See, we could have him do all sorts of fancy jumps now, way beyond what we had before. Skateboard. Oh, good point. Skateboard. Yep. No skateboard, but we got a fix for that, right? Look at him go. Woohoo! Skateboard. In place skateboarding. Okay, there we go. Right? Look at that skateboard. Skateboard. Okay, what about falling? I know, and I know these are here. I've seen a ton before. So, you know, we are no longer stuck with one. I'm actually considering making this an honest to goodness 3D character in a 2D game, and instead of pre-rendering the frames, learning how to attach these animations to the 3D character so that we essentially have a real-time 3D character to do whatever the hell we want with, right? Um, so, for example, falling flat impact. Oh, that's gotta hurt, right? I think we can all agree that's gonna hurt. Yeah. um, let's find one. No. Um, hit to the head, stumbling, hit to the leg. So many places you can get hit. Hit by a car. Hard landing. Yeah. Okay, I think what I actually want is falling down, right? Trying to find one that looks not bad. Kick to the groin. Oh, buddy. That's gonna smart. See, that's the animation on the actual skeleton bones right there. But you can tweak these, right? So maybe, poor guy. Let's just get extreme. I feel like he's in a lot of pain. Oh man. Yeah, I feel that. That's basically your speed, right? What about knocked down? Kind of like the knocked down, right? His shoes seem a bit wobbly, don't they? We can fix that. Different bone types. There were different bone types, and I just went with the default. But um, it's like, what the hell happened? All right, let's start with the. Um, actually, we can also, like I say, we can also just have him. Uh, you know, standing around, right? He's just standing there being bone idle. We could, and that's what I'm saying. You know, if you do this in real time 3D, we can really open up the options here a bit. I think. All right, there's a happy. He's happy. He hasn't hit anything yet. Da, 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 da. I'm so happy. Happy, happy, happy. Sonic the Hedgehog foot tapping standing pose when paused. um, I don't. Do we see any that looks like that? Oh, there's a lot. Okay, let's. I bet it's not there, but we'll try Sonic Idol. Sonic tonic seizure and laughing. I don't know what a tonic seizure is, but if you ever see someone doing this, they're having a tonic seizure. Simple as that. Feels like he's been abducted by aliens. Um, okay, standing. idle. Moving foot. No. Okay. Foot tapping standing pose. No. Foot tapping. Okay, let's just try foot tapping. Foot. Okay. Some fancy footwork going on here, right? Oh, do we make the kickboxing level? I think we do, right? Yeah. Do you think this should be Notify's next character in Mortal Kombat? No, but we can make him do the chicken dance. Sorry. I haven't got Sonic the Hedgehog, but we do have the chicken dance. Do we give him a cell phone? Talking phone pose? I've never looked like that when I'm on my phone. Just saying. All right. None of those. Okay. Let's go back to running. Let's try and do this here, right? I'm trying to find the right pace looking and that might be it, right? That's not bad for what we want. And I can fix that shirt up and I can fix the elbow. Okay, so once you've done all of this, you download. We're going to do an FBX binary, 30 frames per second. Okay, let's just try this, right? And then let's go back to Blender. And then open. Don't save because I removed the thing. Don't want to save that. Oh, hold on. I think it's import FBX. I'm winging it here. I don't know these settings. I know, you're shocked, right? It's just import. Okay. This is all very confusing. That's a lot of stuff. If I get rid of that one and that one, run it. Okay, that's our guy. That is a lot of data now. All right. Okay, let's fix this deformation here first of all. All right. Buddy, put some clothes on. It's taking the shirt off of it and literally put it on your back. I think what we can do, we make that all in there somewhere. Maybe if we just scale it up a little bit. And then let's go back to object mode. Still may have to, still got some bits to, it's weird there, doesn't it? All right. Well, this will do for a first path. But I don't. What I don't want. I don't want him moving forward. Oh, look, there is another camera there. Actually, hang on. Okay. That is part of the animation file. That's. Can I clean that up over here? Oh, wait. If I just do... idiot. Let me do that again. Let's just do a new file. Get rid of that. Import FBX. Running board, running 2. Oops. There you go. That's what I want. End on frame 30. Okay, there's some frames here I don't need. Okay, end on frame 23. Almost there. That's it. Could you color his torso the same as the shirt? Oh, that's actually pretty smart, Adam Wolf. Yeah, thank you. That is an excellent suggestion. We should be able to do that. Get into the shirt. Get to the torso. Okay. Oh, what am I clicking? I'm clicking things. Hang on. Oh, well, the problem is it'll then make his neck area up here. I mean, it's not going to matter, honestly, right? If we're being honest, right? It probably won't matter. I can't remember what these look like. Hang on. Materials. Materials. There we go. Instead of skin, let's give it... Uh-oh. Thinking about something. Okay. T-shirt. Still, yeah, but we're still seeing the... I've still got to resolve the mesh because there's some weird pinching going on, right? But again, this will do for. It's not perfect, but I got to get it into the game at some point to see if this is even a sensible thing to do. I mean, I think it will be, but you know, got to prove to myself, right? Hey, this guy NZ, how are you doing, buddy? Let's show this guy NZ. He'll love this, right? We checked. There is no moonwalk, right? But we found lots of. Here's our guy. It's got some issues, but here's our guy, and we figured, we got to give him lots of weird, funny things to do, right? So how about a celebration, right? Uh, right? Because everyone should celebrate, right? Celebrate jumping those hurdles. Yeah. Or what about we were looking at some of the dance ones, right? Because I mean, who doesn't? I think we all do the booty hip hop dance, right? I think we all know that the game needs a booty hip hop dance, right? Oh Lord. And back in the day, we all did the Macarena. Come on, we all did it. We know we did, right? We know we did. Don't know where you would put that in the game, but you should. Yeah, just that should be a thing, right? RFK Gaming 89, how you doing? We're just trying to find stupid things for our characters to do in the game, right? And I think he's got this going on, right? Um, let's see what sports we have, right? Um, you know, maybe he needs to taunt the hurdles, right? Future football game, right? I mean, come on, throw the ball. Good. Bit soonish is early, but AHDH go burr. Well, hey, rest easy. It's good to see you. Lord knows we should all need more rest. So you take it easy. I'm just looking to render this out here for the game, right? Um, I don't know. Maybe he's gonna box at some point. Yeah. ADHD. I assumed you meant ADHD. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, he's just gonna fight the hurdles. He's gonna stand up for what he believes in, right? Okay, so anyway, we've got now that we've got our running guy here, right? Um, we need we need to do we need to well, first of all, we need to mess with the lighting, right? That's we need to mess with the camera too, but well, let's do the camera first, right? Let's fix all this up one by one. Let's get the camera looking at the frames. This guy NZ, one of the things we were saying was rather than pre-rendering the graphics eventually, I'll probably do that first time out. Actually trying to bring in the 3D character to actually have a live 3D character, and then we can do whatever we want. Fun PC fact of the day. This should be good. That little spinning wheel animation you see when something is loading is called a throbber. Yeah, I always just think of it as the beach ball on the Mac, but yeah, I always think of it as just the painful something's about to crash, but we don't know what it is yet. But thank you. Yeah. Yes. No. Eventually, totally just got to go 3D with this guy, right? That's what we got to do here, and we will give him a slight perspective Camera, hang on. I feel like I'm slowly getting better. I'm slowly getting better at Blender. Not great, but better. Right? Let's get rid of that camera. Okay. So let's move this back. Gonna have to tilt it up, I think. I think we may have to. Actually, I moved the wrong one. Hang on. I did move the wrong one. I want to have a slight angle. I'm really liking what we did in the stadium where we have the slightly new perspective. And I think I want to keep that. That's probably okay for what we want. Yeah, almost. Not quite. There's still something. Hang on. What's going on there? Oh, I see. One of these numbers is off slightly. Hang on. That one? Yeah, I think it's that one. There we go. Okay. So let's do this. Let's render the animation, but I can't remember where it puts the frames. That's going to be the tricky part. Beach Ball of Death. I have seen it way too many times. No kidding. It's always like the uh-oh, what the hell's about to happen? Right? Yeah. Show me the frames. Yeah, that's not really showing me the frames. Hang on. Oh, that's open image, that's why. Oh, I know. Hang on. I know this. I know this one. Render. I found it. I found it one time. Sure I can find it again. There it is. Okay, I noticed something I just didn't feel right here. Yeah, feels like, and again, I know there's still work to do on the model. Totally, yeah. But we should be slightly ahead of him. And then render animation. It's going to render out each of the frames. Looks like the camera should really move a bit more. But let's go with the plan. See how this looks. All right. Still dropping frames. Something terrible. Ugh. Okay, so we've got the frames. Now, let's open up. Actually, wait. I may have messed up. It may have the background. It does. Okay. What's going on with this thumb? Not a five, my friend. How you doing, buddy? Thank you so much. Appreciate you as always. How goes it, bud? What up, game dev? Remember, everyone, subscribe to have your face 3D scanned onto the character. What, are you saying this doesn't look like you, Adam Wolf? You said that seconds too late. I've obviously I based this on everybody in the chat room. You all look like this, right? What's up, Notify? How you doing? Let's give a shout out here. Notify folks. You should definitely go follow Notify if you are interested in A, watching someone have a lot of fun, and he has a hell of a lot of fun playing games. And B, you are interested in Swift or Swift UI, all of that kind of stuff. He hates it when I say it. He's the acolyte, but in a good way, of Swift UI. You're good, awesome, my friend. Okay, so let's do this again, but I'm sure there's a setting in here that I found before that says ignore the background. So give me a second. I think it was film transparent. Yeah. Woo. Look at me making good guesses, right? Yeah, there you go. That's what we want, right? So we're gonna render the animation frames again. I haven't been granted the rank of master. Yeah, well, he's not completed the final level, but he'll take acolyte. He's done all of the prep work. Yeah, he read the books, saw the movie, was in the screenplay, was in the musical as well. Yeah. Okay, so we've got the frames. I know it's gonna be rough, but like I say, this is all about proving the thing, right? Here he is. Look, right? We just want our guy. Oh, I have got to fix those bones. But let's go with this, right? So now we're gonna open up Godot. This is where the magic happens. Magic. It's all magic. And we are gonna go over to our game here. It's our guy skateboard. See, this is the original character that we're replacing. Sorry, buddy. We never named him. We should give a name to the new guy, right? Hey, new guy. Do you remember? Whenever I think of that, hey, new guy, I think of. Do you remember the first season of Sanctuary? Great program. And he's in the lift with the guy with the other, and he's got the other head on the back of his head. And he's like, hey, new guy. If you've never seen it, you have no idea what I'm talking about. Okay. Let's see. Players, boy, running. There you go. So, yeah, you've all seen the original one of him running, right? You've all seen that, right? We're gonna break some things. Actually, before we break some things, let's just, we don't need to over optimize this. Hang on. Oh, just let me drag the window. Come on. Jeez. Okay, we're gonna get our new running files. We're gonna try real hard to put them in there. They're not very well optimized or anything right now. None of that matters. This is pure exploratory work here. We'll go to the player, the boy. Okay, so right now when he's running, right, we're going to get rid of all of these, we think, somehow. Not like that. Is there no way to select them all? There's got to be a way, right? Right click for the win? No? No? Wow. Oh, there it is. Jeez. Okay. So you can see him running there, right? Not now. No, no. We are now going to insert... I'm trying to remember where all the little bits are. Hang on. Copy. There. We're going to go in and we're going to say levels, standard, players, boy, running, and we need all of those new ones, please. Okay, things are going to get a little messed up here because obviously sizes are different and you know, I haven't... Oh, come on. There you go. All right, this is just... We can see that we got to adjust the lighting. This may not even work when we run it because positions could move around. We're going to find out. We will find out together. It's funny how the game takes on a whole different dimension once there's some shading. You're like, what? What?
Got it.
It works. What? I mean, basically it worked. Right?
You bet. Here we go. Ouch.
It basically worked.
Hey.
Right?
Here we go.
Wow, he is teeny tiny when he jumps. Look at that little guy. But you get the idea,
okay.
Right?
Here we go. Got it.
And we can make him we can fix, well, there's a lot of things to fix, but frame duration, right? So we can speed this up. Actually, I've probably gone the wrong way.
Hey.
I think I went the wrong way. But I also am going to try here. Very curious. Oh, does it only do the... Is it only going to do that one frame? Okay. How do I select them all? There's got to be a way to... There has to be a way. Oh, okay. Let's just do this. Let's just ramp it up to 30 frames per second. There you go.
Got it. Here we go. You bet.
Just takes on a whole different feeling when it's...
You bet.
Even though it's 2D, but rendered in 3D with the shadows. Isn't it interesting how suddenly...
Okay.
Feels like a whole other thing, right?
Whoop. 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 Here we go. Okay. Got it.
I want to get to skateboard.
Here we go.
Skateboard.
Okay. Ouch.
Yeah, that's not going to do it.
Okay. Got it. Okay. Got it. Okay. Okay.
Nice.
Here we go. You bet. Here we go.
I knew I was not going to make it, but I think I want one skateboard before I quit.
Whoop. Got it.
I think this is worth pursuing.
Got it.
Right?
Got it.
We can fix the lighting. We can fix the positions.
bet.
We'll fix the bones. We can fix
Here
all
we
the
go.
things. Right?
Here
If
we
Robert
go.
Downey Jr. can come back from the dead.
Okay.
Spoiler alert.
Whoop.
We can fix
Here
all
we
these
go.
things. Okay. Got to get to
Got it.
40 for skateboard. I just remembered.
Got it. Got it.
But it means we can now do
Okay.
proper.
You bet.
I hate to say, we can break free
Got
from
it.
the constraints of the current animated
Got it.
graphics that we have available.
Here we go.
And make our own.
Here we go. Here we go. Okay. You bet. Okay.
Ooh.
Whoop.
Okay,
Okay.
here we go.
Okay.
Skateboard.
Got it.
Here
we go.
Me skateboard.
Got it. Okay.
Pull up the
Here we
skateboard,
go.
mini me.
Hey.
Hey.
Here we go. Here we go.
Ah. All right. Okay, it works, folks. It totally. This system's gonna work. All right. Trust me on this. So, let's go back. I have so many things to learn, but this is part of why I wanted to do this in Blender 3D, so I could learn. You know, I'm going to draw from my photography experience for things like lighting and all that kind of stuff, right? That's just, you know, that's the plan here, right? So, we all just have to believe. But I'll probably do like a 3-point setup, you know, all the stuff, right? Let's just render that image. Yeah, see, already we're getting. I want to keep a little bit of the cartoony feel. That is the plan here, right? Oh my god, the frame dropping is awful. Okay, so still feel I'm seeing a little more character than I feel like I should. So we're gonna. What I mean by that is, I want it to be side on. We got textures to fix here, and you know, this again, this is just very basic. Make a model, get some texture on it, get some color, get some lighting, get some animation, prove the theory. Now fix the stuff, right? Hopefully you're getting that vibe. This is not the final solution. All right. Because you can, you know, as we say, we got bits going on here, but this is a major leap forward for the look of the game, right? Eagle Knot, wowie, wow, wow, wow. I just say wow when I think Eagle Knot. Hey, you doing, bud? Right, so let's re-render the animation. See, actually, what? Well, no, that's not so bad. Okay, let's find the files. We're going to replace those files. We should be able to, at this point, just replace those files. Right, that's kind of where we're going here. So Godot and its hurdles, themes. Nope, sorry. Levels, standard, players, boy, running. Thank you. And then we can just take all of those, replace them with these ones. Replace. Yeah, just do them all. Right. Go back to Godot. Godot, you know. See, that lighting's already helped, right? Yay for making good guesses. That's what I say.
Okay.
Already feels
Whoop.
a little less weird.
Okay. Here we go.
But it,
Whoop.
you know, just having the character in basic 3D like this
Okay.
gives it more life, right?
You bet.
You feel a little bit more attached to it.
Whoop.
I wouldn't.
Here we go.
I mean, I don't think it
Got it.
makes it feel any more modern or anything.
Okay.
It's still somewhat
Here we go.
within the vibe, right?
Okay.
But really,
Hey.
how many streams did I miss? This is great. Well, how many successful streams did you miss is the question. Because I'm still dropping frames like nuts. And so you missed lots of experimental streams. Maybe that's all I've ever done. But yeah. But we are glad to have you with us, Eagle Knot. Yeah. I decided, even with the quality of my ISP to crapping up my upload speeds, I'm just going to pursue forward. Simple as that. Going to keep going. If it sucks, I'm sorry.
Here we go.
It's not me.
Here we go. Here we go. You bet. Got it. Got it. You bet.
Okay. So, we got a decision to make. He should just be that big with the hurdles. Makes it so easy, right? But here's the thing. So let's get real here for a second. If I take, right, this one here, you know, and I scale him down to what was about the right size. This is why I didn't want to overdo the mesh, because once he gets smaller, it's like, oh, well, you know, he doesn't really need all of those details, right? Okay, is he big enough now to jump it? Yeah, he's a big boy. It does also introduce the possibility, again, multiple characters, customizing your characters and everything else. Another reason that I'm like, oh, we should just change him to a 3D character. Yeah. Now, I knew it would throw off the numbers because the numbers were based on the old images, naturally, right?
Whoop.
Ooh.
Whoop.
Wow, he's like a teeny mini
Here we go.
me. But see how suddenly
here we go.
The animation and
okay.
The
you bet.
The simplicity of the model
you bet.
and the texturing suddenly doesn't feel so bad, because now you're seeing it at scale.
Here we go.
It's like, oh, okay.
Whoop.
You know, maybe we don't need to fix those frames, Adam Wolf, that we were talking about. Ooh, that was damn
Here
close.
we go.
Yeah.
You bet. Okay. Okay. You bet.
I want skateboard. I want skateboard. Let's get a skateboard mode.
You
Come
bet.
on.
Whoop.
That was close.
Here we go.
Oh shit, that was close too.
Okay.
Seems kind of scary when he's that small, doesn't it?
Got it.
I'm afraid to pick up the power.
You bet. Whoop. You bet. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Got it. Got it. Whoop. Whoop.
But that small, he could
Here we
he could
go.
really just run underneath them.
Whoop.
Let's be honest.
Okay. You bet.
Here we go.
Skateboard.
You bet.
Mini skateboard.
Whoop. Got it. Ouch. Okay.
Oh, he was never gonna make that. Okay. Let's go back. All right, so we've got this. Let's get the jumping one. I gotta find a jumping one that I like. I haven't found one yet. And also, get me some hydration. I'll be right back, folks. All right, I got lots of hydration. Two. All right, I say, I am streaming this out on YouTube as well today. So, let me give you the link here, folks, in case you want to try it. Try an experiment to try and fix or find a better way to get around these ISP issues. Okay, jumping. Where's my cursor? There it is. Come on, buddy. You don't want to do this for us anymore? What happened? Give us the jumping. What about a running jump? He's got to look like he's coming from running, right? Ooh, that's not a bad one. Yeah, that ain't bad. Because he kind of looks like he's looking down a little bit and doing it too, right? Let's go with that. Um, and then import FPX running jump. These things are getting a little. Okay, that one. That one's got to go. That one's got to go. Oh, wait, I did it again, didn't I? Hang on. Whoop. What? Did I kill him? I think I killed him. Okay. Can I not get him to do it in place like he did before? Import FBX. Did I change something here and I've forgotten? Oh, I don't think I did. Let's get rid of that camera. Okay, we're gonna have to tweak this one. We have to learn a little bit more here. Get the feeling I'm about to do this a bit janky here, so we'll see. But I feel like the camera. Oh, this feels janky. Maybe it'll work. It might work. I may have pulled this off. Let's see. So for the jump in, let's oh, did I Nope, good. Transparent background. Well done, Peter. I got the wrong ones, didn't I? Sure did. Let's just give it a go. Did we get 2 for 2?
Got it.
Oh, yeah, we do.
Whoop. Whoop. You bet. Got it.
We can smooth
Got
out
it.
those problems.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Dang, folks,
Got it.
look at that.
Hey. Okay. You bet. Got it. Hey.
Not bad, huh? Not bad. So I think what's happening, I don't think I rendered out enough frames. Right? I really should have got down to the 24 mark, I think. Yeah, you're a bit late on the first, but hey, good try. How you doing, Escamina? Okay, so let's go back. Animation. Let's see, 20. Yeah, 20. Yeah, okay, so let's bring in those. And we will add 21 through 24. Let's see. Maybe I gotta make that 30 frames per second as well. Let's try it. I'm doing good, buddy. How are you doing? We're playing with animation here in Blender and then exporting it. And so far, it's not doing too badly.
Whoop. Here we go.
Is he
Got it.
actually? It looks like
Got
he's
it.
riding on top
Oh, no.
of the. Okay, I screwed something.
Got it. Got it. Whoop. You bet. Got it. Whoop. Got it. Here we go. Here we go.
I'm still
You bet. Here we
pretty
go.
impressed with it.
Okay.
How we got this far this quickly.
You bet.
Gotta
Here we
say,
go.
I mean, I'm
Whoop.
pretty
Okay.
pleased with myself, if I do say
Whoop.
so.
Okay. Whoop. Whoop. You bet. Whoop. Here we go. Oh no.
Oh no! And then he gets tiny. Teeny, tiny, tiny, teeny. We call him Tiny Timmy. Tiny Timmy. Run, little Tiny Timmy. Now, what I'm curious about, I feel like I need to...
Maybe there's a happy little tree that lives right here.
He is right here. Since this has gone so well, I got to find some way to screw this up, right? Happy, happy little trees. Just doing their thing. So, you know, let's do it. We got to be curious, right? There is a node 3D. I don't know what's going to happen. I've never done this. Oh, actually, wait. There isn't there also. Isn't there also? Yeah. 3D physics body that can't be moved by external forces. When moved manually, it doesn't affect other bodies in its path. Character body. 3D physics body specialized for character. It's moved by script. A physical bone 3D. A physical body used to make bones in a skeleton 3D reacts. Okay, this is just a whole new world right here. It is moved by a physics simulation. I got a feeling that's the one we want, right? But then there's this 2D sprite node in a 3D world that can use. Actually, what we need is the opposite. A 2D sprite node in. Okay. There's a mesh instance 3D node that instances. Oh my god, English, Peter. Messages meshes into a scenario. Wow, we're just entering a whole new world here, folks. I mean, I don't know. We're just gonna look at these. I feel like I should probably, read up on this because I know this is a whole other thing, but I'm sure we can do it. If I go, good lord, good lord, what's going on? Okay, now that this has worked, I feel like I should plan these out better because I didn't think it would go this well. That's the honest answer. I'm gonna have to update my video course for Godot now, right? And be like, hey, you wanna put a 3D in here? Yeah, we got that. Let's see. It's actually 27 frames. So maybe I drag that out. Maybe if I just add the missing frames. Okay, 24, 25, 26, 27. Will these be the three that made the difference? Let's see.
Okay. Here we
I know
go.
I've got some kind of script in
You
there
bet.
at certain frames. I gotta go look at that
Okay.
because I know there's something going on there.
Whoop.
Hey.
Okay. Got it. Whoop. Okay.
Ouch.
Oh, hang on. I just had a thought. This guy NZ, isn't this fun? Right? Okay, 27 there. I wonder, hang on. Did I break it when I changed the frame rate? I may have to change my math here. Lord knows it was so hard to get it the first time.
You bet.
Yeah, that's
Got
what
it.
it is. Okay, it's my math.
Okay.
I can fix this with frame rendering.
Okay. Got it. Here we go.
I gotta smooth
Here we
out
go.
not the blend in. The blend in is
Okay.
okay, but the blend out
Okay.
back to running. That's,
Whoops.
Oh no.
I might be able to fix that right here with the frames that I have, actually. Oh, excuse me. Because we look at the first frame of the running, right? How am I gonna do? So you see where his feet are here on frame 27, right? Let's put up frame 27, okay? And then, sorry, that's not the one I want. Actually, maybe that's the no, that is the one I want. No, I'm right the first time. See the position of his feet, right? And if we look at, no. We go to the running. There's a frame frame 19 and 20. Okay, let's try this. Let's try adding on the end from the running frames 19 and 20. Oh, no, not that character. Not that one. It's a whole other boy. 19 and 20. There we go. Let's try. Oh, that might be a bit janky. Actually, on the arms.
Okay. Got it. Okay. Here we go.
Well,
Whoop.
actually, he is still moving forward a bit.
You bet.
That's probably what's making it weird.
Here we go. Okay.
I should just fix all this in Blender and render the frames properly now that I know we're going to do this.
You bet. Okay. Here we go. You bet. You bet.
Ouch.
Yeah. I have to refine. Okay, now, now the proper learning begins. Now to do this properly in Blender. Right. If I didn't have to, if he didn't move along the path and just stayed in the one position, this wouldn't be, it would be fine. Yeah, okay. All right. Well, we haven't done, we've done a lot of good work. We did a lot of good learning, a lot of good work, proved a lot of theories. And basically what we've deduced here is, yeah, this shit's gonna work. I just gotta smooth it out. I'm super pumped about this. I also now want to redo all the graphics in 3D, but keep the 2D feel, you know, but it's gonna look more, again, not realistic, more cartoony realistic because of the shading, right? I mean, imagine if I rebuilt this background scene in 3D with shadows and did all the shenanigans, right? Essentially what I think I should do, I guess, rebuild this whole scene in Blender now at this point. Because I still am working on gonna do a 3D version of this and so on and so on. So this is not wasted effort. This is all stuff I need to do for future version. And I might as well do it now and see how it looks in here, right? that's the plan. It's going to take some time. We'll do it together, I think, on streams for fun. A lot of Blender modeling. I'm enjoying working with that. You know, clearly this model is a lot better than my first attempt. I think we can all agree. Still a lot of work to do here, but still not bad for what I've learned. And then we'll take it from there. Yeah. Doing well, making out progress. It's gonna be super cool. This guy NZ, I think it is. If nothing else, this lets me take my 2D to the next level, right? And I don't mean 3D. I mean it takes the 2D and says, all right, you know what? The original graphics that I had to save myself the heartache of the character, we've now learned a little bit of time, and Peter can move beyond this to this. So this is cool. Yeah, I'm pretty pumped about this. It's gonna take us a while, but we're gonna get there. This will be, again, this was already a worthy upgrade from the original version of the game. This is gonna take it to a whole other level for sure. Yeah, and I still want to do the whole, let's just make it in 3D, non pre-rendered graphics, and that helps me transition to version 2, where I want to do some more things. All right, and also, as we've now seen, we can break free and have any kind of animations we want: random jumps, the running, random falls, stuff for menus, you know, switching out character parts, all those kind of things become a whole lot more realistic once you step away from pre-rendered into real time. So this is going to be cool. All right, folks, I am going to leave it there for today. We got a lot of stuff done. Let's see here. Give me 1 second. Don't think I see it. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna break and chill here for a bit. Midweek, I need to decompress a little, and we will pick this up next time. But let's see who's streaming next. Notify. When are you streaming, my friend? And Adam, any plans for another stream anytime soon? Please, if you are, put them in the chat room. Tell the folks. Folks, you should definitely go check these people out. I'm telling you. Thank you, this guy NZ. Yeah, it's been a hell of a work week. And this is a really nice way to cap off a midweek with this kind of cool stuff. Feeling totally motivated with this. I'm sure you all are too. If I can do it, you can do it. Yeah. All right, folks. Other than that, we're going to leave it there. So I'm still dropping frame rates like crazy. Again, sorry, it's out of my control. It's not inside my house. It's outside, whatever it is. Still trying to figure it out. At one point, I actually thought maybe I should just break free from OBS and try something else. Maybe you know, it happens on my Windows box, happens on my Linux box, happens on my Mac box. It cannot be the setup on any particular machine. All three can't randomly just crap out. All right, folks, have a great one. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is on YouTube as well, like I say, trying something different. Chill. See you soon.